Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Just wanted to give a bit of an update on this Arc Captain welder that I've been using. And it's a little loud, so I'm trying to talk a little louder because it is running. I've been welding with it. And one of the things that Fitzy showed was that this the welds would lay down a little better if you used a little higher voltage than the stock setting, which was like 14. So I'm using a voltage of 16, and the wire feed was at 230. I've dropped that down to 215. He doesn't mention, one of the things he doesn't mention is wire feed, and wire feed's important. But to tell you, I was having a bit of a problem too with I've got that Temu wire in here, and I was thinking, oh, this wire is bad. It was kind of burning off and jamming up on me, and I couldn't find. Well, truthfully, I didn't want to pay the 20 bucks for just a wheel from Arc Captain for the 6. But so I ordered this wheel, and I thought it said in the description 6U, and which is, it's not knurled. It's hard to focus here. Let's see if I get it. There, as you can see, it's not knurled on the inside. It's just a smooth, but it was just balling the wire up terrible. So I ended up having to buy twice. You know, do it right, buy it twice. So I bought a 6V from Arc Captain, the one that they sell. It's direct from Arc Captain. I think it was $18.99 or something like that on Amazon. And then, you know, you got tax on top of that. So I did buy that, and that cured the problem. The Temu wire was working okay with the Arc Captain wheel. So if you got a wire that's maybe not as expensive a wire, you might have to make sure you have that Arc Captain 6.0V wire for the MIG welding. So, and I am using 7525 gas, which I know what they say is that you need the argon and the CO2 mix in order to get the heat, but Fitzy uses CO2 all the time, and I don't know. I just have this bottle, so that's what I use, and so I'm not no expert at this. Just trying to give you a heads up on the problems I'm having. But I am getting better with it, and it's, you know, it's taking time. But if the weld lays down like that, it doesn't leave you a whole lot to grind. But if you get one that piles up, and that probably has some impurities in it, but if it piles up too high, then you got a whole ton of grinding to do. And that was one of the things Fitzy shared, is try to get it to lay down the best you can, adjusting it. You know, on the Lincoln, you only got a switch and you know, and a couple knobs, and it's much easier. But this is a multi-process, this Arc Captain, and so you have some adjustability. I'm not sure if it'll show the voltage on this or not. So let me see if it shows, or the amperage. Okay, so no, it changed it. So yeah. So see, now it's 13.9. I think it's 52 amps. I didn't change the amperage. Let's see if I can get it to go to the... Here we go. No. I don't know. I did have it where I'll readjust it back to... See, now it's 17.6 volts. So that's too high. So I don't know, I'm just kind of, yeah, see, now it goes up. So evidently, I'm going to take it back down. 16.8. Okay. 16. All right. So 16, 5.2 amps, and then I'm using 215 on the feed. So that's what's working so far for me the best. I'll let you know if it changes. Take it easy, guys.